Women have unique nutritional needs throughout their lives, from menstruation to pregnancy and menopause. During these stages, their bodies require specific nutrients to support their health and well-being. A balanced diet plays a crucial role in providing essential vitamins, minerals, and energy to fuel their bodies and maintain overall health. By focusing on nutrient-rich foods, women can ensure they have the necessary building blocks for strong bones, healthy skin, and vibrant energy levels. A healthy diet can also help manage hormone fluctuations, support mental clarity, and promote a positive mood. To build a balanced plate, we need to understand the essential macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates provide energy for our bodies, and healthy sources include whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Proteins are crucial for building and repairing tissues, found in sources like beans, lentils, lean meats, and tofu. Fats, often misunderstood, are vital for hormone production, cell function, and absorbing certain vitamins. Opt for healthy fats from avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Incorporating a balanced mix of these macronutrients in every meal ensures your body receives the necessary fuel for optimal functioning and energy levels. Certain vitamins and minerals are particularly important for women's health. Iron is crucial for red blood cell production, especially during menstruation and pregnancy. Calcium supports bone health, vital throughout life but particularly during menopause. Folate is essential for cell growth and development, especially during pregnancy. Vitamin D aids calcium absorption and immune function. To incorporate these nutrients, include iron-rich foods like leafy greens, beans, and lentils. Choose calcium-rich options like dairy products, fortified plant milk, and leafy greens. Opt for folate-rich foods like leafy greens, legumes, and fortified cereals. Get your vitamin D from sunlight exposure, fatty fish, and fortified foods. By prioritizing these nutrients, you'll support your body's needs at every stage of life. Making smart choices is key to healthy eating. Meal planning helps you stay organized and make healthier decisions. Portion control ensures you're consuming appropriate amounts of food, preventing overeating. Mindful eating encourages you to savor your meals, paying attention to your hunger and fullness cues. Staying hydrated is vital for overall health, so aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Choose whole, unprocessed foods over refined and processed options. Limit sugary drinks and processed snacks, which are often high in calories and low in nutrients. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can cultivate healthy eating habits that support your well-being. Embracing a healthy lifestyle starts with making conscious choices about what we eat. A balanced diet offers countless benefits, including increased energy levels, improved mood, and a stronger immune system. Remember, healthy eating is a journey, not a destination. Start with small changes, gradually incorporating healthy habits into your routine. Consistency is key. Don't be afraid to seek guidance from a registered dietitian, who can provide personalized advice and support your journey towards a healthier you. By making mindful choices and prioritizing nutrition, you can unlock your full potential and live a vibrant, healthy life.